In this video, I'll guide you through how to assign Microsoft To-Do tasks so you can easily share work with other people and keep everyone on the same page. We'll walk through the process from the moment you see a task in your list all the way to confirming that it's actually assigned to the right person. First, make sure you already have a shared list set up in Microsoft To-Do because task assignment only works in lists that are shared with other people. Once that's ready, open Microsoft To-Do on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the list where your task lives. Find the task you want to assign. This might be something like prepare meeting notes or update the spreadsheet. Click on that task to open it. On most screens, you'll see the main list on the left, and when you click a task, its details appear in a panel on the right. If you're on a smaller screen, the task details might take over the whole view instead of sitting in a panel, and that's completely fine. So the idea is the same. You're moving from the simple task name to its full detail view. Once the detail panel is open, look for the option labeled Assign To. It's usually located near the top of the task details, along with options like due date, reminders, and steps. Click on Assign To. When you do this, Microsoft To-Do will open a list of people who are members of this shared list. Here, you'll see the names of everyone who has access to the list. These could be co-workers, classmates, or family members you've invited. Take a moment to find the person you want to handle this specific task. If the list is long, scroll until you see their name. When you find the right person, click on their name once to select them. As soon as you select their name, the task is assigned to that person. You don't need to hit a separate save button for the assignment itself. Microsoft To-Do updates it automatically. This makes it quick to go through a list and assign multiple tasks one after another if you need to. To confirm that the assignment worked, look back at the task in your list. Next to the task title, you should now see the person's profile picture. If they don't have a picture, you'll see their initials instead. That small icon is your visual confirmation that the task is assigned, and it tells you at a glance who's responsible. If you ever need to change the assignment later, simply click on the task again, choose Assign To in the detail panel, and pick a different person from the member list. The profile picture or initials next to the task will update to reflect the new owner. And that's it. You click the task to open its details, use the Assign To option, choose the person from your shared list, and then look for their profile picture or initials to confirm. Once you get used to this flow, assigning tasks in Microsoft To-Do becomes a quick way to organize work and make responsibilities crystal clear for everyone involved.